First of all, Rich, and meaning for all dear. But Sunny de Biamisha Ballon d'Or. Say, I started with red carpet now. The first observation, I say, the football world is like the normal world that we live in. And the superstars we see on our screens week in, week out, Rich, they are like us. And because they are like us, the best I'm trying to say, they want to share the highest moment in their lives with our family. And that is so nice.
Be about in the family.
Yes. And I am a pet ceremony them. How I can connect with the superstar, because baby I'm a woman, no Michelle Boots, almost a Jesse. I want to see them dress different. And I want to see them living a normal life to send me a makome mame. And I'm in a baby. My friend papa of force, I'm in a dim como, near show baby, near co baby. Yeah, quite sorry. That family look. The woman near them, the woman near bar. Yeah, like we are moving together, we are interacting. You don't see that with football stars. Because they are always playing. Omishagoa, where they kiss the hand gestures normally occur, they are waving their family back. Come and see him talk. So you don't see their connections. Orange Emra. It is either we be with the wife, the girlfriend, the mommy, the papa, the busiafo, the uncle. You see them sharing their brightest moments in life with their family. And that is the first thing I love about watching Ballon d'Or. It gives me opportunity to see the other side of these footballers. The biggest lesson, Rich, don't joke with family. Don't joke with family. They are your everything. And some things here, they are the ones we will call. Don't joke with family. Share your moments with them. They are very, very important. Now, Rich, when the award started, we knew it was foregone conclusion. Majority of them. And it started from class of the year. I remember we all knew Paris Saint-Germain after winning the Champions League historically for the first time. We're always going to win the men's club of the year. And the opposite of a memano Arsenal, because Arsenal won the Champions League in Europe. And the Uber club, you're voting as a club of the year, Arsenal. But Rich, I think a quite bisono. Apart from winning the Women's Club of the Year, Arsenal will coffee with some small cringe. We say, if you are Ballon d'Or and you're fair to them. Should they wear Paris Saint-Germain by virtue say winning the Champions League? Should they wear they swept a man awards? Coach of the year. Ballon d'Or and player.
Goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper energy, the best goalkeeper. Look at even the top 10 of the Ballon d'Or. Mendes, Vitinha, Hakimi. And see, some way the way I was in Germany side was dominated by Paris Saint-Germain. And it was simply because the Germany Champions League. But which I'm only going to apart from Arsenal winning a man club of the year, they won nothing. Winning and that should pay them kakra. Alisa also winning. They want she. Coach, why you coach of the year? But that is how
on the likely workman.
Yes.
We they know the England the man
Yes.
Na day.
I'm rich in Tigana can Senka Meka say, and you know the Arsenal coach wanna would have.
No.
Exactly. Come get so the honestly there.
Yeah.
What you say? So that is it. Look, I'm not Meka say. I turn and the ball, but you will be out, man. But if it was Russo who won it, and coming here, so even as a Barcelona person, we raise a lot of qualms. But and see, that is it. Arsenal manager of the club of the year, but the awards in general answer them favor Omu gidi. Say all compare Omu to Omu counterparts in Paris Saint-Germain winning a manager because they won the Champions League. They're rich. They're starting from Krem. I thought Michel had a chance, but Vicky Lopez didn't have it. You should be here for a man Copa Awards, you know, the best young female player. I will say a Vicky Lopez of Club your friend Barcelona. Which say Barcelona Babia and winning award here. You don't begrudge the awards. They are very good, even though they didn't win the Champions League, but they are overwhelmingly good, too good. Individually, they are too good. And Vicky Lopez. Now, Michel will be fourth, rich. Behind Linda Casedo and the captain. I'm saying, hey, how you never find this, and see, a man, young player, went to Barcelona, Vicky Lopez. Then a man, became a repeat because Lamine Yamal won it again. And said he was in this category and a contender for the Ballon d'Or. So it makes sense. Say, media, and I love the interviewer. After winning the cup, he said a lot of things, and you could clearly see, say, there is a guy on a mission. Or Jimmy said, that podium will be his for a very, very long time. Or be consistent on our podium. So, after winning the Copa trophy last year, Lamine Yamal repeated by winning it on the trot. They say he go a second, Zao Neves third, Estivao fourth, and a Kenny years. And so a winning fit, then Dinhouse and Ne Kubasi and Omobaka. Now, Rich, we are money for some more. Problem with this picture. You can guess the problem. Argentina, Yakoshe Greenhouse in Spanish national team jersey. And we say, number one, is Muslim boycotting. So why do you want your jersey to be part of the award? So trivia, maybe I'm considering here. But now a lot of Real Madrid accounts are also more problem. Why you so be a club jersey? No, we do in house and Kwanso there. Yakosha the Spanish national team jersey. They answer Real Madrid jersey. But of course, you also understand the politics. One boy continue at the end of that. We don't want your jersey to be there, cry. Until they decided to use it for a day as a Look, Serena Woodman, I was not winning, was fair. And I predicted she would win. The English and man national team here, and you in fact, going to the Euros, not England man were defending champions. And what she did was to let them win back to back. Marriage, it is no means an achievement, especially to go against the Spanish team and your world champions in the final and beat them to their trophy. And Serena Woodman, after Sir Olivia Emmanuel won the Women's Joan Croft Trophy, Emmanuel, a version of the best coach. Of course, Luis Enrique won that for a manager for leading Paris Saint-Germain to start historic Champions League. Any order he did with domestic football. Obiagi to after last season say, though Chelsea won the FIFA Club World Cup, Paris Saint-Germain was the best club. How they are coached, individuality, and together as a team, the way they played, it was so exciting to watch. And this man put it together. Luis Enrique won the coach of the year. Now to safeguarding the post. Chelsea goalkeeper and England goalkeeper Hannah Hampton and a winning year. I don't think there are a lot of claims about Hannah. Then Donnarumma, say no Biatipeno, won a member the best goalie, no, and so a hot no. Now, Rich, I love the Get Mola Trophy, no, because that is the life of football. Goals. And those are Victor Jokeris. A share our sporting CPD there. It was always going to be him. Say on no baby, we need the Golden Boot Award and the Ballon d'Or. So the Get Mola Trophy for the top scorer in Europe went to your friend of Victor Jokeris for a memano and a man in and so a command Barcelona Pazol ever Pazol Rich. Uma money game now. Barcelona it Michel Valencia 7 was a 4.
Go show.
Oh yeah.
And I videos. No money show for a bema. Go goes now shadow.
You go show bruta.
I remember playing to me.
Who said Barca money the ball? It's only create chance. Now reach omu mana.
And go share.
Boom. We also say after her probably for the appearance so will get the chance. But reach Pazol Buta goal scorer. And she also top scorer. A man after Europe no on energy. Then came the moments. The main moments. A man Ballon d'Or and a man Ballon d'Or. Which you see, Ayala Bonmati award no winning here. Akuma Onua on. They've been doing awards, say arguments, based on eye tests. I'm not top scorer. The team are good trophies in the BO. I know the winning Champions League. I know the winning Euros. I know the top scorer. And yes, what she goes the but Rich, I'm in the best man now. We are able to accept a woman in bottom. And not just a moment goes no. And for instance, let me give you a classical example. The Ayala, at the same time, member, they are voting Vitinha as the Ballon d'Or. That is what has happened. The Ayala Bonmati or man of football. At the same time, they discuss say Vitinha won the Ballon d'Or. Forget about Omo goes, baby. So who shall go now? The only ball pack this what he say on dictating beer on a game jam naso is here which but entire see o memani entire see even when Messi was winning it as a clear eye test he say on pass on gebo on chances creating on what went for Messi was he was winning trophies and he was scoring goals but I tell you she doesn't score any goals.
Ball.
Ball dear. Me see, or maybe I want the money big premier. Who shall say when a new bar? She will mention her name. It's rich. Why does it happen with the women's football? But it can never happen with the men's football. Never. Few times. And I look at what Rich be. You appear. Hundreds in yes, I'm going into once in a while, what do we? You are Mama Jimmy, and you call you when you to 2 years, and you go score, getting beer, why you be, but a man here, or the Champions League. The same team, Aquaco Eos, or Biasha goes in the team that Ayala is
so it fits into the Lamine Papa Kase. Born a boy, no. We should forget about the numbers wage. So I got TV and now to study one hour.
Fantastic.
Do could talk about this Branty. Born here, friend, born at that park.
Yes.
Forget about some neighbor. Uri mummy can of born of pan.
Someone called me 9.
Yes, so
yeah, on 5 born.
Who will be the Dembele compare me, Yama?
You see, that argument will get there. But for me, Rich, the best example of what you are saying is Vitinha. For that duration, God, team that you know you're wow by someone was Vitinha. dictating play. Everything goes through him. Everything. That is what Ayala Bonmati represents. A money football. No, Rich. Wajia to also be
3 times.
If you watch the ranking, or no, then I'm going to put Alicia Russo. We third. Wajia to also 3. And Rich 3 in the road here. The only person that might be our Ballon d'Or is the Messiah.
You know, Messi.
And we're doing 1, 2, 3.
I need a 4 round.
No.
From 2009 to 2010, 11, 12.
Yes.
I'm saying 4.
Let's do 4.
Yeah, what you 4?
But
2009, more.
And
I'm checking like you know.
But you see, Ayala Bonmati Agia to also 3.
Yeah.
And the only person why you be that Ayala Messi.
Sure.
So I did to also 4, no Messi did to also 4. Then we are
Messi, you know. 2009 or J, 2010 or J, 11 or J, and was J
2012.
Hey, you know Messi.
But Rich, say no more said the record. I don't know equal that record.
Likely.
Because I think I need Champions League. So I could Champions League. There are no issues.
Sure.
Rich and Barcelona, in terms of speed, 1 year, they will continue to dominate. Until Rich, that is how the record no. I tell you, Rich, it tells you, Rich, you see a man born in Spain in Barcelona. I was a man in Sana, the best young player, a man who top goal scorer, and the best Emani player, all from the Barcelona team. It tells you how Barca are dominating when it comes to women's football, CCI, and even when it comes to Spain, are dominating world football. Our Emmanuel Afem Rich Usman. We need to be aka. They are making you say he deserves it. He deserves it. Usman Dembele, he deserves the award now, Ajana. And he deserves it based on only one strong point. Ekusi saying, which born a Bunina, Rafinha, Lamiyama, one way or the Babiano, played very well. And when it comes to the criteria, impressive, impact, Geben, Obiabubi. But which the moment you kick in the achievement, you achieve more than Obia. Now, Rich, the picture now also, a kind only one thing. Only time about Sona, a DNA Masicano. Now you could escape the you were looking around to say, if you are some wine crowd, you're making the best name and I. Rich, we went in for Dembele. At that time, Rich, so we get Dembele Baba Sona Bay. And far and far, you will say you are not good business. But Rich, probably we saw today. We saw a Dembele, no. I don't think you're investing with him, but I'll follow Bassa. I'm before Paris Saint-Germain. And I am in the same way. Abantano in his speech was saying, yes, we're winning Ballon d'Or, we're both from great class and Nabedua. But the dream was to play for Barca and Nhyira to have the opportunity to play for Barca with Messi and Iniesta. But Salah life with here, let's move on. And then continue Barcelona and can go and Ballon d'Or.
Sure.
And can Ballon d'Or. Usman deserves it. And he won it. Now, Rich, there is a picture of Usman with FFF, French Football Federation president, and the national team coach. So it's a French affair. And in the French League, Rich, Papin in 91, George Weah in 95, Lionel Messi in 2001 and 2023, then 2025. Players from the French League and I just said enough 6 players from France and Aje and Maniaje say Karim Benzema, who was the last French winning Ballon d'Or, Ekoye bravo with a fire emoji to Abantia, your friend Usman Dembele, which says I hear from 56 Stanley Matua. Now we are listening.
So Michel Platini is generate 3.
Yes, Platini is 86. Yes, 83, 84, 85. Ewo Ahanum and no more on Makenti. You do the long list, Rich.
Okay.
You add about your friend Usman Dembele to 80. It was an award for them. Now, maintenance ekrano. Rich Michel ranking. Let me see. Rafinha fit.
Fit.
I was shocked. Then Neymar Junior, and of course, and also Rafinha in fit is too much of issue a word that means to me use a radio so. But it's maybe so. Fit now Rafinha DNA will also until I said including myself. No. I hear from our decent goes listen, and one will to know.
Me let me feel saying on to dead.
On to
Afitia no to boy.
So, on the face of it, me and M. Many emotions I could have rushed to test their name at testimony. But which?
Me.
Yes.
Yeah. But there.
Not because Mohamed Salah Mobo, but because I think so for me the Champions League in them.
Sure.
But which apart from Mo Salah, Charlie. Rich, no question and then Rafinha plays so well. But listen here. I'm a sayer. And I saw two Lami Yamamum. I saw two Lami Yamamum. In the rich, Sana Noma AC Equity. Let's celebrate the Memra. Opia Bontina, Paris Saint-Germain Autres, no. Rich Jai. Omuni Dembele, they celebrated a trophy. And it was a night for Ayala Bonmati and Usman Dembele. Charlie, maybe I'll die soon. Never give up. What? Never ever give up. At a point, Dembele will be born. Mekai, your president, Basse president, Wala Porta. I could make his statement. He said, Dembele in the morning watching Kylian Mbappe. Rich, who would have thought say? Usman will win the Ballon d'Or before even Kylian Mbappe will get the opportunity to win it.
In fact, wait there quick